All right, Corey Draper here. Thanks for watching my channel and subscribing. We love you. Okay, what I'm doing is just doing kind of bad examples probably of how to do a 15 to 60 second video with your cell phone straight up. If you put it sideways, it don't count. You got to go straight up if you want to make little short reels or clips, whatever they call them on Facebook and YouTube and TikTok. But there is a time where you're going to do just really short videos. Even if you're good at doing 5-minute ones, 3-minute ones, or an hour one, there's no doubt about it. The attention span of most people on earth now is that of a goldfish. So, my gosh. But if you're real serious about business, people will take time and spend 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and hours getting proper information about what you're selling, what you're doing, or what you're teaching. But there ain't no doubt about it with this damn phone. And if you do 15-second to 60-second videos, there's a lot of eyeballs that are going to watch it. Most are not going to do anything. They'll just kind of swipe to the right or the left. You know how it goes. But there's always going to be someone that goes, hey, you know what? I like what that person has to say. Their domain name is pleasewatchvideo.com or whatever yours is. And they might come, pre-enroll in LiveGood, and they might actually join. Just off a real nervous, crazy little video. You just put it in selfie mode video. And I think most of us have a smartphone. If you don't, then obviously, hopefully you have a webcam. But these are just for people that want to really make nerve-wracking, crazy videos that are short. Because a lot of people won't even do this at all. And that's fine. You can still make money. But I like to just do really bad, scared crapless, 15 to 60 second videos, because we've all been there, done that. So you guys are in good company. Don't worry about a thing. Okay, here's an example of another one. And I don't have any script or nothing. I'm just flying by the seat of my little surfer shorts I got on right now. And my Kiss shirt, by the way. Long live Kiss. Well, they've been around 600 years, as you know. Okay, selfie mode, video, hit record, talk into your phone. And if you need to, go sit in your car right now behind your steering wheel. And if you need notes, just read them. Okay, here's another one. All right, here we go. 60 seconds or less. Hey, guys, thanks for watching my video. TikTok, boy, it's sure popular, isn't it? Well, this one, I'm just going to tell you about an opportunity. I'm not really dancing or doing anything crazy. I'm actually looking down at my notes because I'm nervous. But there's an opportunity I'd just like to present you guys. All you do is click a button. There's nothing to buy. There's a 6-minute video that talks about what the opportunity is. And if you're looking to make some money, I think this is a really cool opportunity for you. So just watch the video. And if you want to go from there, check your email. And there's plenty of information there. Okay, well, I'm nervous, so thank you. Please visit pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay. That one's longer. That one's going to get up to around 50-something seconds, and it's still within the 60-second or less category of what they're just considered shorts or reels. Each company has a different name. They all can't call the burger the Big Mac or the Whopper. They all have their own, criteria, but all of them have to be with the cell phone straight up. If you try to do a short video, 15 seconds like this, it's not right. You got to have the aspect ratio like this. And the more you do these, you'll just get so good at them, you don't even need a script or nothing. You'll just start talking like there's an honest friend. I don't know if you ever do like WhatsApp or where you can just kind of text talk and there's a real person on your phone. Hey, son, you know what? Can you make sure I lock the back door when I left? I can't remember if I left it open for the dog, but can you lock it and just text me back? Okay, thanks, Mom. You need to get kind of conversational like that if you want to do selfie mode video. You can also turn the phone back and just film while you're walking down the park real nervous. God, it's a nice day today. Check it out. I'm at Sugar House Park in Salt Lake City. Right now it's about 80 degrees. I'm a little nervous, but I just wanted to talk about an opportunity that I'd like you to look at. Maybe pleasewatchvideo.com. Give it a chance. Blah, blah, blah. Real simple. That's all you got to do. That's if you want to talk. Okay? I'm going to also do videos where you're just going to sit and point and not do anything. Okay? If you don't mind looking in the camera, you can just kind of point, and the information of where to go pleasewatchvideo.com in my case, but you'll just go like this, okay? Because on some of these platforms, they don't really want you to like promoting money and how to make money and all this other stuff. This video is just to get you comfortable in front of a camera, okay? To where you can post with a purpose, because if you do get comfortable, even if you're a little nervous, people kind of think that's adorable sometimes. But if you do video, boy, does it increase your chances of kicking butt in this company. And I've always been a big fan of just going to selfie mode and talking into it and looking at yourself, hating your face, hating the light, can't stand your voice. Oh, I look fat. Okay, then after that, you get bored of yourself. You get sick of your own bull crap. You know what I mean? You're like, oh God, I'm just so sick and tired of being sick and tired. Let's just get going and have some fun. So anyway, that's all these videos are. They're just short little smart ass ones I'm making right now. And if you want to specialize in TikTok, you guys, below my video, below where it says please watch video, go to Solve Problem Now and go to my other websites. There's training, but Secret Video Tips, that's my website. secretvideotips.com. That's your best training if you're going to do social media shorts where the video's straight up and down. You just point, you put some graphics, and there's a whole bunch of advice on how to do it properly to really get a lot of great people watching your social media posts. So, all right, that was just a quick one I wanted to upload real quick. Okay, we'll talk to you guys later, and please watchvideo.com. That's my website.